First of all, of course, we always have to carry the material to the house. So those boards I bought in the summer in July when Taki and Esther were at the house, and they helped me, and of course also Chris helped me to carry those 6 heavier boards than maybe it looks like to the house. In the fall, we always have to think of buying firewood, and this was like last chance to do so, because exactly the first cooler day the wood got delivered, and we were preparing to carry it to the house, and Angela, she's unstoppable, our neighbor, she jumped in and got herself a wheelbarrow, and then the 3 of us transported the wood to the house.
Guarda dove è la tua legna.
Dappertutto.
Quasi ti arriva vicino dove devi metterla.
Ma fai ognuno.
Cosa? Guarda dove ti arriva. Ti arriva nel posto giusto dove devi. Quasi dove devi metterla, capito?
Oh, blocco la strada. Das ist...
So after all those doors, I am just passing to the wall left of the last door. This is going to be the only white wall. All the rest will be natural stone walls. And because I don't see myself to plaster that wall and to get like an even wall as an absolute beginner, I think that's quite impossible. So I just chose plasterboards, even though I regret a bit it's not the so-called real way, but for this one wall and probably some walls in the corridor upstairs, it is just simpler and faster to do. Unfortunately, we had this flood 2 weeks ago I was talking about in the last episode. So they were damaged by the water because, of course, this is kind of soaking in humidity, especially when it comes from underneath. And by putting the boards on the wall, I realized it's not really fitting well when the plaster is damaged. So I had to cut off all those damaged parts. And now it looks a little bit more like a patchwork, and I have to even out more of the gaps. But anyway, I just had to go ahead with what I had at the house. It is mid-October now, and you can see little by little I approach my kitchen slash living room that I dream of to be a little bit more cozy and habitable, because it's still more like a workshop. But in order to get there, I have to do the walls. I have to fill the mortar in between of all the natural stones. And then most importantly, I have to lay the wooden floor, because now with the concrete, it really doesn't feel like a living space. So I hope to be able to do those works before end of the year. Right now I have to take a little bit of a break. I have things to do here in Basel, but throughout November, early December, I hope to pursue what is urgent here in the house. I mean there, here and there. Okay, so have a good time. See you soon. Bye.